These are just a few habits you can embrace to start revving your metabolism right away. You may have heard stories about people who have lost dozens of pounds simply switching to diet soda or walking a few minutes each day. These are all small habits that contribute to a big difference and increase your metabolism over time. You will make weight loss quicker and easier by increasing your metabolic rate and burning more calories. 1. Move more. Sedentary people burn about 1/3 less calories per day. By simply taking every opportunity to move can make quite a dramatic difference to the amount of calories you burn in one day. Small movements will add up over time to lots of calories. The trick is to keep moving throughout your day. Write the word "of" on post-it notes and put them in places you'll notice them when you eat sitting still. Then, take every opportunity to move. Here's some ideas for burning extra calories. Tap your feet, swing your legs, stand up and stretch, move your head from side to side, change position, wriggle and fidget, pace up and down, use the restroom upstairs, park in the furthest corner of the parking lot, stand up when you eat on the phone and step from side to side, clench and release your muscles. 2. Eat little and often. Evidence suggests that eating small meals every 2-4 hours will keep your metabolism burning faster than larger, less frequent meals. When you eat small amounts often, your body is constantly working to digest and absorb food, which requires energy. 3. Eat fat. If you want to feel good and keep the fat off, you need to first put it in. Fat not only tastes good, our bodies need it to work efficiently. By consuming several servings of healthy fats every day, you will actually increase your calorie burning potential. Try incorporating fats like flaxseed oil, hemp seed oil, olive oil, avocados, salmon, albacore tuna, nuts and seeds into your diet daily. 4. Drink cold water. Evidence shows that your body might expend more calories trying to raise cold water to the temperature of your body than hot beverages. And overall, being well hydrated will help your body metabolic processes burn quicker. 5. Exercise with weights. Training with weights boosts your metabolism in a number of ways. By lifting weights, you will build muscle tissue. And muscle tissue is metabolically active, so it requires calories even when at rest, and so it helps to increase fat-burning enzymes in your body. 6. Spice up. Eating hot spices might speed up your metabolism. Just half a teaspoon of cinnamon per day can help boost metabolism and keep blood sugar levels in check. Can't stand the thought of cinnamon in your morning cup of coffee? Spice up with cayenne, crushed red pepper or wasabi. 7. Eat more protein. Protein requires a more complex chemical breakdown by your body in order to be digested and used as fuel. For example, 100 calories of protein may take up to 30 calories to process. Protein also takes longer to digest and helps to stabilize blood sugar for longer periods of time, and this can help you to not overeat later in the day. Eat a portion of protein at every meal and as part of your snacks, and you will increase the total number of calories you burn each